Hey guys, Caden here again. Check out my stupid hat. Anyways, Adam and I decided to go do a hike today. We're doing the Wind Tower by recommendation of my dad. Seems like a cool place. I think we'll go right. Seems like if there's anything you should know on this trail so far, it's that the right path is always the right path. Don't go left. Approaching the pass here. Gotta go up there now. Alright, we just passed the viewpoint, now we're heading up the rest of the trail. Hey, what are you doing? No breaks on the job. Get back to work. About cresting the summit. Probably 300, 400 meters to go. This gravelly section goes on for a really long time. I thought we were closer than we were. It's been like at least 30 minutes, I think, and we're still walking up. Still fun though. It's beautiful up here. Ooh, look at that. Wow. Look at that. Canmore. So, this is the top. Pretty nice up here. A bit windy, but not really. Not quite the wind tower. All the other mountains don't seem too tall from here. You can see, I think there's Yamneska in the distance over there, and Hart Mountain is over there as well. And there's Canmore. probably gonna get headed at some snacks, so feeling energized. Should be good. Speed run back to the car. There's a lot of scree on the downslope, so that'll be good. Finally off the face, and we're going back down on the north side descent. Right, we're back at the parking lot. Adam, how was the hike? What do you think?
Amazing hike, definitely recommend.
Yeah. So wind tower. It's pretty good. It's a fairly long hike, not extremely technical. Quite a lot of elevation, and it's very beautiful, especially with these amazing lake view. Check it out.